This weekend is the Las Vegas Surron Megaride. Up until the day before, I was not planning on going.
Well, we had a change in plans.
Thanks to some real arm twisting by my boy Willie Stunts and the offering of free Airbnb, we're headed to Vegas right now.
Alright guys, we are in Vegas right now. I think the Shogo twins, Red and Dylan, are coming to pick me up. So we're just getting a quick wardrobe change before they pull up.
Alright guys, they're literally picking me up on the bikes. They're about to pull up. Hey! What the fuck is up? What's up? What's up, dude? What's good, bro? What's good? Where am I riding? I'm picking you, bro. Let's go. We're really going nuts to butts here. Dude, how is the ride going? You guys, didn't the ride just start?
Yeah, it started a little bit ago, but then someone wrecked, dude, and knocked himself out.
Oh, baby. MGM. Yeah, guys, shout out Seth for, you know, the ride. Although we don't have, my review would be, we don't have passenger pegs, but it's okay.
SB Ultra on Instagram.
SB Ultra? Yeah, I was about to ask. Dude, my legs fell asleep. Oh, what's up, buddy?
How are you?
How you doing?
Oh, dude, so good.
Dude, I deadass, I'm not kidding. My leg was just asleep.
That's the butts? We had to. You.
Dude, Surrons are... Oh, there's the rest of the pack. Bro, I kid you not, I stepped off and my leg just didn't work.
We will be here for a little.
What's good, dude?
ConnorG.
Oh my God.
ConnorG.
What's up? What's up, buddy? How you doing?
How you doing, bro? Good to meet you.
Bro, good to meet you too. My legs hurt so bad. What's up, bud?
Oh my God. Hey,
Dude, I got off the bike over there and just fell on the ground. Literally, I'm not even kidding. What's up, BK? How you doing, bro? Oh, there it is! What's up, buddy? I don't know the champ, but bro, good to finally meet you, dude. I'm so hyped to be here, dude. I'm just like, oh.
For anyone that doesn't know, this is ConnorG. He's been a social media friend for us for a very, very long time.
Dude, it's been like a year. It's been over a year. Year and a half.
That's the real ConnorG right there.
The real one. Don't mix me up with anyone else.
Hey, don't pass me.
Oh shit, he's a ref, dude. He's a ride leader. What are you gonna do? Throw a flag, bro? Come on.
Yo, Connor. What's up?
What's good, bro? How you doing?
What up?
What up, dude? How we doing?
Ooh, ConnorG on the...
Back on the Triple X. We're at home on a Triple X, Red's Triple X. Let's see how it feels. He got the prickly pegs too. All right.
Hey, now you gotta hand drag my razor.
Oh, that's easy work. That's light work, dude.
Alright guys, now ConnorG is going to ride.
Whoa! Rip your bag out of your hands. I will hand drag this one quick. First try. All right, back to riding, bitch.
Hey Connor, you're about to see what I have to deal with as a ride leader. It's gonna be annoying.
Yo, I don't think I'd want to be a ride leader.
But we do it for the community.
Do it for the kids. What's up, dude? Oh, look, we're passing you, bro. I don't have a ref shirt on and I'm passing you.
Yo!
Someone just eat shit already? What's good, bro? How you doing?
ConnorG, you do realize this is the first time I've got passenger work with a dude. I'm gay now.
Dude, Red, wake up. It's the day of the Megaride, bro. Wake up, dude.
We got Willie Stunts back here, but today is the day of the official Megaride. It's Saturday. It's sunny as all hell. I can't see shit, but we got this sweet little Airbnb with this cute little puppy. Hey, puppy. But anyways, we got a pass off for the weekend from Zilly Millie. I'll show you guys that right now. I'm not gonna lie, the tune on it scares the shit out of me. I feel like I'm gonna loop this shit, so maybe I will. Shout out the boy Zilly Millie for the pass off. This is an Ultra B with like a 98 volt battery, but it's run on a far driver. and the throttle is very odd on this thing, but still is a sweet looking bike, so hopefully we don't loop it.
We got hella people outside.
ConnorG, I follow you on YouTube. My God, is that ConnorG?
I have more at home. I can send them to you. Just gotta give me your address. Guys, I do not deserve homies like these guys. Just passing the bikes off to me. Surron, London. Look at those grimy little gloves. Are you even hand dragging anymore, dude? Okay, all right. Bro, this dry air has got me so thirsty.
That's just crazy.
Dude, my throat is like, I'm so parched. Oh, f yeah. I appreciate you. Woo. Oh, we're cozy now.
Best trick right here where all these fucking people are.
Yo, we should definitely do it on this like nice stretch of concrete. What trick are you gonna pull out?
Every trick, dude. Save some good ones. I'm gonna do a backflip mid-wheelie. Say
Hand drag? I'm thinking I do hand drag up to like a knee knock circle and then go down to side saddle circle. What's your best trick gonna be?
something shit.
Does your headlight work?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Not right now, my.
Yeah, it works, sure. So what do we just do? Go back and forth 3 times?
I think so. What are you gonna do?
Dude, I can only do like 3 tricks. I'm just gonna do a hand drag, up into a knee knock, and then go into a circle. Let's go, London!
ConnorG Media on a test off, I believe, as well. He is not riding his bike.
Alright, here we go. We're just gonna do a hand drag up to a knee knock into circles, I think.
Best combo is going to be when you go crazy.
Okay, whatever. I'm gonna turn off the bike though. You'll see the headlights go off. I'm gonna do the key. I'm gonna try. Damn.
One more attempt. Was that your third?
That was my second, I think. Should I just try that again?
Try that again, Connor.
We gotta get it like right here. Not enough. All right, guys, so they're basically still doing that best stunt competition. We're running to the convenience store to go and get some drinks and shit. Zilly changed the tune on this. It is a lot better now, so we can wheelie it a little easier. It is still odd, but you know, it's all good. We're getting comfy on it, but I'll ride this bike the rest of the weekend then, I think. But I'm gonna do the circle contest still, and I'm gonna use Red's bike. Dude, huge shout out to Red, such a homie. Wow, look how beautiful this is though. The mountains in the back. The heat is crazy though. Like I feel it, it's literally burning on my arms. Drink time, drink time, drink time. All of us, I think. Was I scared? We're professionals. I think we're getting the circles on the Ultra now. Feet up too. She's a heavy gal, but she'll do it. She'll do it. She'll do it. There we go.
One more.
Hell yeah. Nice.
Is that ConnorG?
What's good, dude? Nice to meet you officially. How you doing?
Oh, I'm so excited to meet you.
Yeah, dude.
I wanted to get out to Philly really bad. It was in the works, the plans, but then something.
Yeah, dude, just hit me up if you're ever around. We're always outside. Dude, that's nice. I probably should do the same with sunscreen, you know? Woo.
I'm Sonia.
Sonia, nice to meet you.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't
Hey, that was fucking very good, dude.
Wow, I'm
Dude,
pissed.
that's not even your bike, bro.
I'm pissed.
You're not even used to these tires, these wheels. Good job, Connor. What, the record would be is 9, right?
Wow, that's impressive. 15 circles from Hudson. In first place, Cole from Houston, Texas.
I knew you were gonna kill that.
Dude, I didn't know. I have no pads.
You have no pads. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna conclude the day ride for the Saturday Surron Megaride, the stunt ride. I think we're gonna load up and head to a rooftop pool and then maybe get a night ride later on. So I'll catch you there, maybe next video. But peace.
Tell Brad and Dylan, man.